Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert mobile phone symbol in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert mobile phone symbol in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click symbol drop down menu and choose more symbol. Then select the font, windings. Then we can see here many symbol. We select the telephone symbol or mobile phone symbol, then insert it, then close the window. Now we can see here we insert mobile phone symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.